Hello and welcome, as it is the 10th day of November 2020. My name is Derek. This is the Money Charts channel, whereas, like always, all bets, trades, and of the like, within each his own risk and their own reward. And let's go over Bitcoin first with charts, and I also want to talk a little bit more, a little same as I did so within the most previous video I did within the silver one, basically the exact same prediction. Alrighty then. So with that being said, let's first look at the daily term and what do the series of the candles mean within the timelines. And the way I look at it, just from what I'm showing you, which is since June, there was an attempt at the lower end here to break out, which obviously didn't do such at that time. And then basically, you can almost say, oh, there's a bit of time where it showed 18 high of strength, but within this whole run, really even from when it got to this resistance in May 28th, all the way up until like July 21st in the sideways range. Then, interesting, nice, okay, green candle start of the move, statement, if you will. What was the next move? So point A to point B high, so just a bunch of key moves, how it corrected sideways. Then you really have the 2-day move down to this fib point, the long sideways again. And then what's been this long run? So one leg, one wave, two waves, and really a third wave. Is it now got the potential for 4? And within each of the waves, there's this one move up, sideways, straight move up, then this going sideways. And then within this, you see how it was just showing a lot of strength amongst the 18 average of highs within retracement mode. Retracement mode meaning from this high to this low. And then getting above it, when you break key resistance support, usually, sometimes a big move, and this is one of those times, but concise move. And the most certainly in just of that. And now, since this high, it's a descent, it's a symmetrical triangle. You can make it higher lows over the last 4 or 5 days, but you can also say the same thing about lower highs amongst this. And it's going through the consolidation pattern overall within such. On the single hour term, you had a spot where it was showing that it was going to break down, but it hasn't even tested the 14,300 low since. And then an instant move, a great move where it, within retracement mode from this low to this high, damn well came near to the previous highs. Not quite, but very damn close. And within this, it did it again. Nice little decent sized sell-off, but it did the sell-off with a lower high to this, like I say, lower highs, higher lows, and a higher low from this to this. And then a quick recovery to the 18, and it just stayed within it. A little bit of scaring that it's going to break down below it with all these pierces going down below the 18 average of lows. But it's now making a move up to the high end, so it's doing a lot of what it's doing before, correcting well within it. But it's doing so again with higher lows and lower highs. Okay, long term, all this stuff is in fantastic, magnificent, bullish mode. And of course, the excitation on the very, very long term, monthly term, which is the one I get very excited about. But something that is probably not off topic, but during the election time, there was a situation where Trump had 1.690589, well, 1,690,589 million votes, and then seconds later had 1,676,331, a difference of like 19,958, I think. And then this one went up by the exact same number, 19,958. So it's, wow. I got this information on a video entitled, I'm just bringing it up here. Why is it not loading? Guess who counted the votes, by this beautiful woman, Millie Weaver, who I believe she just nailed this one out of the ballpark with the information. So much more. Even just a lot of the read-in documents. There's, oh my goodness, one of the documents in there. And then like video conversations with people, and they can say in the know or whatnot. And to me, it looks like just like you're saying, like the whistleblowing kind of stuff. So stage one of basically the shit hitting the fan is, or was, about 3/4 of a year ago in my book. And that was the Rudy Gobert incident. I think. Does stage 2 happen like later today, tomorrow, Thursday kind of deal? That's what I'm really starting to get the feeling towards and such. And if it does, then times, of course, will get very, very interesting. And in market conditions, markets will get very, very volatile. As again, this stage one was right here during this crash down here. All right then. So I really don't have much more to say. If you want to watch that video, simply type the video name, guess who counted the votes, and you'll find it. Which is interesting, because that's like another subject that I want to come across too. All you have to do is type the name of the video, and I mean, Google search is going to get it right, like I guess, like almost 100% of the time. And well, here's a video, and I got this highlighted from a long time ago, because what I did is I copied this to try to find this exact video via that of a search. And I had a very difficult time finding, and I couldn't even find this one. I mean, I found the exact same copy, but hour 59:53. This is on BitChute on YouTube, and I couldn't even find this video either when I tried to search for it. And that is this one here. This is a YouTube one. The truth about 1.5 million views almost, April 13th, 2017. The truth about vaccines docuseries episode 1. I can't even find 2, but Robert F. Kennedy Jr. interview, smallpox vaccine. And just trying to do a search of this title. I mean, you'll get the channel name, which means you find it. There you go. When you see this channel, The Truth About Vaccines, I guess that's where you could find it. I'm not going to be posting any links in this, but I'll help you along the way in finding it if you are interested. But look for this channel, and you'll get this particular video. That was a video that I'd watched, I got to think, back in the spring. And I bookmarked it. So I did that for that pretty much exact reason, because I was like, am I ever going to be able to find this again? Even if I know how to search it, will I even be able to search it successfully? And I actually bookmarked because I wanted to wait for part 2 to come out. And I looked back days and weeks later. I mean, they took an old school video, which is great and everything. And I could tell by everything they were saying it was pre-COVID at the time. And boy, was it ever be in 2017. But those are, again, off subject. But I know subjects in which people are probably are important, are subjects that are important with a lot of people that are actually still watching this. As, of course, I believe the 19,958 number is as well. Thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.